Hello, everyone out there. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. Hello, everyone, and Merry Christmas. For today's project, we'll be using these plastic bowls. I have two of the red ones from the Dollar Tree, and I have two clear ones. And I also have two other clear ones that I got from Family Dollar. Now, of course, we'll be using these to make Christmas balls or bulbs. I also picked up some plastic containers, and these came from the Dollar Tree as well. Now, I have a few other containers that I have around the house because we're making Christmas balls. I have a whole basket of bling wraps in gold and silver. I have glitters in the green and the reds. I have glitter ribbon in red, green, and blue. And I have my string lights. Now these I think I got from Dollar Tree. I've been had them for a while, so we're going to use those on today. And I have these that I got from Amazon. Now it was a 4-pack with the remote. I've used 2 and I have the other 2. So we'll be using those on today. So let's get started. Let's clear away some of all of these things, and we're going to start with the large 2 clear bowls. The first thing I want to do is take the tag off the bottom of the bowl. Once I remove my tag, the next thing I want to do is put a hole in the bottom of the bowl. I'm sorry my camera wasn't on, but I took my utility knife and I took a cigarette lighter, and all I did was heated up the bottom of the bowl, and then I took my knife and pushed a hole through. Really simple, but I'll show you again a little later. Next thing I want to take is my glitter glue. Now I'm using glitter glue because this is what I had on hand. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to use a paintbrush and I'm going to rub it all around the inside of the bowl. Once I have my glue brushed all around the inside of the bowl, I'm going to take my red glitter and I'm going to sprinkle it on top of the glue. Once I have the desired coverage inside both of my clear bowls, I will glue them together with hot glue. Now we'll do the same few steps on the red bowl. I'll start with my hole. I'll use my lighter, warm up the bottom of the bowl, use my utility knife, and cut the hole. And on my red bowl, I'm going to use my silver glitter glue. I'll apply my glue and my glitter the same way I did with the previous ball. On to my third bowl. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to make that hole in the bottom. And after we make the hole in the bottom, instead of using glue, I'm going to use some spray adhesive. I'm going to spray the bottom of the bowl with the spray adhesive, and I'm going to take my blue glitter and I am going to sprinkle glitter in the bottom of the bowl. Now that I have the blue glitter in the bowls, I glued them together, and now I'm taking my chain bling and I'm gluing it around the seam where the 2 bowls connect. I decided to add some green glitter in my bowl as well. I just put it in through the hole and shook the bowl. Now I'm ready to add my string lights. And I'm just gonna fish them through the hole in the bottom of the bowl. Now that I'm done, I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to glue the battery pack to the bottom of the bowl. Now I'm going to just fish the lights through the bottom of my blue bowl as well. As you can see, I'm switching back over to the red bowl and I'm using my flower bling to go around the seam where the two bowls are connected. Well, one thing is for sure, the lights work. And here's a look what I did on the red and the green. I did the gold flower bling. Now I just want to take my gold flower bling and I'm going to cut it into strips. And I want to do 4 pieces on the top. And that'll be north, east, south, and west. Everything that I'm doing on the top side of the bowl, I'll flip it over and do the same thing on the bottom side of the bowl. Now I'm going to take my ribbon, I'm going to take my green ribbon, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut 4 strips and I'm going to glue them north, east, south, and west on the ball. Now I'm going to go with another bling wrap. I'm going to cut it into strips and I'm going to put a piece on either side of the green ribbon. So I'm going to make it a little bit more festive by adding another row of flower bling. Now I'm going to take my blue storage containers, cut away the lip, and I'm going to take them outside and spray paint 1 gold and 1 silver. And I'll return. Placing my gold painted container on top of my red ornament, and I'll place the silver one on top of the red ornament. And I'm using my hot glue and I'm just going to glue them inside the circle of each bowl, bottom of each bowl. Now we're ready to decorate the storage bowl that's on top. I'll make my top match the middle by using my flower bling. My flower bling did not reach all the way to the top, so now I'm just going to take the diamond bling and go around. So we can't stop here, so I'm going to use my flower bling to cover up the top. Of course, I'm not going to stop here. I'm going to cover up the rest of the plastic with more of my flower bling. So this is what it's looking like so far, but we're gonna move right along to the red one. I have my silver flower bling around the middle, and we're gonna go do the same thing. We're gonna start with the red ribbon, and we're gonna do north, east, south, and west. I'll follow the same steps that I did on the previous ball. Now, because the shape of the blue ball is a little different, we're gonna put the ribbons in between each of the cracks. And that again is north, east, south, and west. And we'll do the same thing. We'll just add the bling wrap on either side of the ribbon. When we're done with the top side, we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the bottom. For the bottom of my blue bowl, I found a plastic container that I had in my kitchen. I spray painted it silver, and I decorated it with my chain bling and my flower bling. This will hold the battery pack for my bowl. I also found a piece of styrofoam, cut it down to size, and this is what I'll use for the top. I'm going to continue wrapping my styrofoam off camera, and then I'll return to making the bottom for the battery pack for my other two bulbs. I'm going to take my clear plastic container. I'm going to first wrap it in ribbon to cover up some of the plastic, and then I'll take my bling wrap and go around that. Once I'm done with the red and silver, I'll move right along to the red and gold. I use 2 rows of the flower bling, and then I use diamond bling to go around the top edge. Now I'm ready to put them together and put them on display. And here are all my holiday bulbs complete. I think they turned out absolutely beautiful. Now, initially, I had did this off camera, and my daughter saw them and she said, "Mom, you should make a video of them." So I did the 2 on the end first with things I had around my home, and then I went back to the store and purchased 4 bowls or 6 bowls and used what I had around the house to make these. I think they are absolutely stunning. And each one has their own remote with the exception of the blue one. So you can switch them up and make them how you want them to be. And here they are all lit up inside in the evening light. Absolutely stunning. If you're out there watching and you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. You want to hit that subscribe button. You want to make sure you also hit the notification bell so you'll be aware of all of my upcoming videos. Make sure you share them with your friends and family. I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you all out there, and to let you know I do upload videos every Wednesday morning. I want to say to you all, thank you for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.